Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. I am at Two Tire Motor Garage, which is this, and here I am for a reason. That's Mohit Bhai. So he's just got his Royal Enfield completely restored, which is a TB 350, Thunderbird 350, and we are going to install a BMC air filter now. So we'll just show you how to install a BMC air filter. That's the BMC air filter, and that's the motorcycle. And there's Ravi Bhai. So he's just done a fabulous job in getting this completely back to stock condition. So let's install this. We'll see you back right after this intro video. So this is the BMC air filter. This would cost around 5,500 if you wish to install one, and this is a performance air filter. What will happen when you install a performance air filter on your motorcycle is you will immediately see a initial throttle response, and your air fuel mixture would be brilliant. And here we'll show you what you need to do. So you need a just a regular screwdriver to open the side panel where you install the air filter. So you guys want to do any kind of servicing, restoration, he's the man. Two Tire Motor Garage. You can check out the description, you'll have all the details there. So once you open this box, you will see another plastic box. You have to unscrew that as well. And for this you get the round air filter, and it's plug and play. There's nothing much to do, it's just standard plug and play. So this is the sound just before and this will be replaced with this one. And here we go. So you see, this is the old air filter. So if you see inside, this is made out of paper, and where the difference comes in this air filter and the performance air filter is, here you get cotton inside. So the breathing of, let's just open this. Yes, so now this is completely oiled and it's like ready to go, and what you have inside is complete cotton, so that allows the air to breathe better. And that's the reason these are performance air filters, and this gets about 1 lakh kilometer guarantee from them. And all you need to do is once in a while, maybe after 15,000 kilometers, 10,000, or depending upon how much dust you accumulate, you just have to do a regeneration. We will do that video soon as well. So now let's install this. So it's very simple, just direct plug and play. You have a plate on the top, which is that. You just heard the sound with the standard air filter. We'll just now install this and show you. So yes, like I was telling, so your initial throttle response will increase, and also your top end will increase once you install this, and that characteristics again will change from motorcycle to motorcycle, but on average that's what should happen. And also you will see a better mileage, not too much in terms of mileage, maybe a kilometer or two you'll see difference, because there's clean burning happening. But if you combine that with a proper exhaust, then the performance is to the next level. As is with this, there is an upgrade in performance, but if you pair it with piggy bank and then exhaust system, it's just like fantastic. So right now we're just screwing it, and then yeah, there's a box after that. You need to fit that box as well. Let's do that now. And that's how we finish installing the BMC air filter. It's pretty straightforward, it's DIY. You can do it at your home. All you need is 2 screwdrivers. One is flat screwdriver, another is star shaped screwdriver. Once you have them, you're good to go. And now you know how to install a air filter at home itself. So we'll also tell you what are the things that we've done for the motorcycle in a bit. So here's the sound after installing the BMC air filter. So now in terms of restoration, what we've done is we've changed the handlebar to SD handlebar. We've changed the key set, a brand new key set. The odometers are of Continental GT 535. The RPM meter currently is not working because this is not compatible, but for the looks purpose we've done that. We've installed KTM mirrors, painted the MC kit to look alike and go very well with it. And then we've installed a BMC air filter in this. The exhaust system is the old one which you don't get normally with the new motorcycle now. And the seat here is the new seat. Beautiful seat. It's two different seats. You get like a bucket seat. This is more like a sofa when you sit on it. And also the pillion seat is super comfortable. While this increases the height of the seat, the backrest may not be so useful, but then you can change that as well if you want. This has a crash guard, which is a really old one. You will not get these kind of crash guard these days. You might find up there in Delhi and all, but down south you do not get these. Also installed Rise Tura tires on this, both front and back, and installed Acer Base knuckle guards for doing off-road. So this motorcycle Mohit will be using majorly for off-roading. He's got a Honda Highness as well for all his highway rides, and for trails he would want to use the TB500. So over the weekend we will have a ride and we'll test how good this can perform now over the weekend. And with his mass and size and height, it should be easy for him to handle this on the trail as well. So this was a quick video on how to install BMC air filter and also the updates that we had done on TB 350, the Thunderbird 350. All was done at 2 Tire Motor Garage. You guys want to come, pay a visit at 2 Tire Motor Garage, and Ravi Bhai will take care of your motorcycle. Ravi Bhai, nikla showroom mall barpunanji bandubudle workshop.
Nikla Japina Muger Dwaradalpa. Masun tiles the very next.
Oh tiles?
Masun tiles.
Masun tiles the very next. So yan entu arna location description paadippe, but otherwise undundo. Plus onji irna number bandubudle barpunanda
6361.
Okay.
797803.
Okay. So our number la pande rere pura barodu. You can come check out. Mirna work matra guarantee an korpe. Ultimate engla full valley riders mule barpere. So one of the best workshop. Ite pasat Mohit la join atere for this workshop. So it's a beautiful place.
I've been to many places, but after a very long time, I'm getting the feel of when the bike was in the beginning.
How is it? Okay.
It's been a very long time. I'm really happy with how the work has been done. It is amazing.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Ravi Bhai, for the work.
So that's all from here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until the next video, keep it rolling. Bye-bye.